Welcome back to our channel, where fitness is made simple. Today, we're focusing on a foundational exercise, the push-up, and how to progress from a beginner to an advanced level. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about wall push-ups. This modification is perfect for beginners or those recovering from an injury. To perform a wall push-up, stand a little further than arm's length away from the wall. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Keep your feet firmly planted on the ground. Slowly lean your body towards the wall, bending your elbows. Make sure to keep your body straight. Then, push your body away from the wall back to the starting position. And that's one rep. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on form rather than speed. Over time, as your strength improves, you can progress to incline push-ups, using a bench or a sturdy table. This intermediate step bridges the gap between wall push-ups and floor push-ups, bringing you one step closer to the traditional form. Once you're comfortable with incline push-ups, it's time to graduate to the classic floor push-up. Start in a high plank position, hands placed slightly wider than your shoulders, feet close together. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. As you lower your body, keep your elbows tucked in, forming a 45-degree angle with your torso. Your aim should be to touch the floor with your chest and hips simultaneously. Then, push your body back up to the starting position. Remember, it's essential to maintain good form to reap the full benefits of push-ups and prevent any potential injuries. Take your time, don't rush the process, and most importantly, listen to your body. That's all for today's tutorial on progressing from wall push-ups to floor push-ups. Stay consistent, and you'll undoubtedly notice improvements in your strength and form. Keep pushing, and see you in our next video.